In the previous video, we covered binary tree insertion. So in this video, I'm going to go over traversal techniques like inorder, preorder, and postorder. So before we get into the code, I'm going to explain what inorder, preorder, and postorder is. So let's suppose we have a tree. This is our tree. So traversal techniques are traversing through like the whole tree, like moving to every node in the tree. So there are three different types of traversal techniques: inorder, preorder, and postorder. Inorder is left, root, right, meaning it goes towards the left subtree first, traverses to the left first, then the root, and then right. So root is what we'll be printing. So inorder, preorder, and postorder are done using, the code is done using recursion. So let's start with inorder. We have to go to the extreme left first. Here is our root. So we have to go left, then we have to go left. So when we're here, when we're at the extreme left, we can see that there is nothing else to go forward to. So we print 7 because there is no more left, -1. So left, root is 7, and then right. There is no right. So we move up. Now here, the left is 7, which has been printed. Now the root is 8, and there is no right. So then we move back up. Then we have 10. The left is done. This is the root, so we print 10, and then right. As we go towards the right, we're going to check if it has a left. So it does have a left, so we're going to go here, left. So now we're here. 12 does not have a left, so left. Then this is our root, 12, and right. It has no right, so we're going to go up, 13. 13's left has already been printed, so 13 is the root. And then 13 has a right, which is 14. We can see that 14 has no left or right, so we're going to print 14. So this is how inorder works. Now you can see that inorder always prints in an ascending order from smallest to the largest. Moving on to preorder traversal. Preorder traversal is root, left, right, meaning it prints the root first, then goes towards the left, and then goes towards the right. So over here, we're going to start with our root, which is 10. So as we have to print the root first, we're going to print 10. Then we're going to go towards the left, 8. Now 8 here is the root, we're going to print 8. Then we're going to go towards the left, 7. Then we're going to print 7. Now the left of this root has been done, so let's go towards the right. Here 13 is our root, so 13. Then left, which is 12, and then right, which is 14. So this is how preorder traversal is done. Finally, we have postorder, which is left, right, and then root. So here we're going to start with our root. We need to go towards the left first. So we're going to go to the left and then to the left. So here we have 7. Then it has no left or right, so we're going to go to 8. 8 has no right. After left we have right, but 8 has no right, so we're going to print 8. Then we're going to go back up. The left part of this root has been done. Now we need to go towards the right path. So here we move towards the right, and then we have to do left, right root. So left, 12. We're done with 12. Then right is 14. then root is 13, and then the main root is 10. So this is how pre-order traversal works. Now let's write their code. So we're gonna take root as the parameter. We're gonna give the condition if root is -1, we're gonna return. If it's not, in order, we do left, root, right. First, what we're gonna do is, so this is to go towards the left. Array nodes holds our binary tree. So we're gonna go to the root index, and then at the root index, we're gonna go to the 0 index because 0 holds our left pointer. Then, because we have to print the root, we're gonna print, because 1 holds the data. And then after the root, we have to go towards the right. And the second index holds the right. So let's run this. First, we're gonna add 6 values, and then I'm gonna take my root pointer as the parameter. So let's add some values. So as you can see, our data is printed in this order, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 in ascending order. So this is how we know that our tree is made correctly, because in-order traversal gives the prints the data in ascending order. Now let's move on to pre-order. Here our base condition is going to be the same. In pre-order we have root, left, right. So as we have root first, so we're just going to print the root. We're going to print the data. Then we have to go towards the left, so we're going to call pre-order again. And we'll go towards the left, and after left, we'll go towards the right. So now let's add the data values from here. 10, 8, 13, 7, 12, and 14. So let me call pre-order. So now our id order has been printed. Let's check to see if this is correct. 10, 8, 7, 13, 12, 14. 10, 8, 7, 13, 12, 14. So this is our pre-order. Now let's move on to post-order. Once again, our base condition is going to be the same. Now we have left, right, and then root. So first we're going to call left, then right, and then we're gonna print the root. So now to check this, let's call Postorder. So we have 7, 8, 12, 14, 13, 10. 7, 8, 12, 14, 13, 10. So this is how we know that our post order is also correct. So basically these three are the main three traversals included in our 9618 exams. And to understand this better, I will make a video on recursion.